Nvidia control panel display settings missing. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can solve Nvidia's control panel's display settings missing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to fix if your display settings are missing on your Nvidia control panel, which is this one right over here, you can try to fix it in a couple of ways, and one step might not work, so keep on trying. First, open up settings on Windows, go to Windows Update, check for updates and update any sort of update, because updating will also most likely install the required driver versions for you, and when the required drivers are uploaded and downloaded and updated, then you'll see those options on your graphics card as well. Now another thing you can try to do instead is to open up device manager settings over here. Then once you open up device manager settings, here you can see display adapters, and under display adapters you'll see Nvidia GeForce GTX. So right click on it, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers, and search for updated drivers in Windows Update as well. And after you've done that, it should definitely have those updates available, and you can restart your PC now and you should find the option. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.